Hi, this is Nick J. Barrett from whoisnickjbarrettmarketing.com. Now I'm going to be very quick because I'm trying to get this into a YouTube 10 minutes and this is the third time around. Now basically this is a video showing you, it's not how to set up a website, it's a kind of a splinter of that. It's how to create a post on a blog, how to create content, in this case video with some text on a blog, to start building a website out using a blog, pretty much like this, but we'll put some writing in underneath. So I've kind of got a load of videos that I've seen on YouTube that I really like, and I want to start kind of collecting them into one space and then commenting on the videos and sort of adding videos of my own. So how do I do this? Well, let's go over to YouTube and let's find a video that we like, or a video. I'll use one of my videos. That's not mine, but okay, so here we are here. Right, now next to the video screen there is, we don't want the URL. The URL is basically this here, which will take people to the whole page. What we want is we want this video embedded. So this is the embed code here. Now as you can see here, this is a little preview. Related videos at the end of when the video is finished. Do we want to see some more videos by other people? That could be distracting, it could take people away from your website, so I tend to tick no on that. Border, yes, if you want a border, and then you can change the colour here of the surround of the frame, and you can change the frame size. Now generally that size there, 445 by 364, is generally pretty good, because a blog theme, a blog page layout tends to be quite thin, and the rest is kind of sidebar. Let me just show you that. This is the actual page here. It's probably cuts about here, so it's quite thin, and that's like two sidebars, which is a different entity. Anyway, so keeping this quick, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on that so it goes blue. If it doesn't, just right click, select all, then copy. Now I'm going to go to inside my website, inside my blog, and how you get here is you want to type in whatever the main address is, which is, in this case, whoisnickjbarrettmarketing.com/, then you want to type in WP-login, WP-login, and that will take you to a login page, and then you'll end up here. Now, so we want to create a post, a page, so we click on here, and we don't want to edit one, we want to add one, add a new one. Okay, and we could add a category here, but we can do it within the post area, and the same with the tags as well. We can do it here in a minute. So I'm basically going to go, I'm going to create a title, YouTube then I'm going to put some writing in there, and I'm just going to give it header 1, so it's nice and big. Change the colour. Let's just go for yellow. Okay. Drop that down. Then I'm going to go to that's for the visual editor. So if you put a picture in there, you'll be able to see the picture. We want to go to HTML. HTML is the code that makes all this up, makes the visual, so we can see what we can see. You'll see that that's the code that makes up that. So obviously all the web page and everything, the internet is all made of code, in case you didn't know. Right, so I'm going to press the return key to drop down, then I'm going to right click and paste. You know, and if you want to come back in here and change it afterwards, the video screen is too big or it's not too small or it's too small, all you do is you go to there, and YouTube videos, like here, that's right up against the writing, so I may want to drop it down. YouTube videos start with the word object. The code for the player starts with the word object and ends with the word object. So, you know, you can just copy and paste, sorry, not copy and paste, you can just highlight it and then just delete it and then put the next lot in. Okay, so we've got that now. All we need to worry about now, we put our title in, we put the actual video in. The next thing we need to do is put in a tag that tells people, tells the search engines like Google, what our post or page is about. So, you know, we'll put YouTube in there just for now, just to keep it, you know, simple. So we'll press that. That will appear kind of under the video. In terms of YouTube, you can see the tags here. If you click on the description, these are the tags here: softbox, softbox. You click on that, and then you'll get, that would take you to a load of other listings with the same word, softbox, softbox. So it's just a shortcut basically. So where are we? Okay, so now we put the tag in. We want to create a category. I've got some categories here which I can tick, and it will appear in that category. Bearing in mind the category won't actually turn up on the sidebar until you assign a post to it. But if I want to create another one because I don't have one that I'm happy with, then I can just put I'll be imaginative here. I'll put YouTube cat. So I'll add that. I'll try to add it anyway. There we go. I'll add that. So okay, that's there. So all we've done is we've put in a title, we've put in the text, the content of the page, we've put in a tag, and we've put in the category and tick the box. Now all we need to do is to publish. Okay, that's telling me it's published. Let's see what that looks like in another window. Let's just get rid of that one. So now we can see our video is there, and it really is that simple. And there's the tag as well. So in this instance, if I clicked on that, that would then bring up any videos on my website that had the tag YouTube. So it's like a shortcut. And if I wanted to create, if I wanted to go back and put some text in there, then I could just put the cursor there, drop it down, and then just copy and paste, or, you know, write some text in there, update it, and then go to preview. Well, it's not the preview, go to the page,